I need to go to the bathroom. I'll just be watching TV. Ow! Okay. Ow! Okay, one more time. Ow! 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 Okay, finally, I have to go. Stop running into walls, me. Ow! Ow! We're watching another thing already. That's how. Yeah. Mommy, I've been bumping into a lot of walls lately. I think I need glasses. Okay, well, I'll schedule an appointment to the eye doctor. Just in case. Hello, we are your doctors. I'm Dr. Rigo Ray, and I'm your nurse, Astronomy, and we're going to test your eyes. Hi. Okay, what can you see on the board? E, F, P, T, O, Z, L, P, E, D, P, E, C, F, D, F, O, R, H, L, K? I could just see it. She definitely needs glasses. I know. It's okay! It's okay! Okay. Doesn't have them. Don't worry, it's okay. Your mommy has glasses, right? Yeah. So if you get glasses, you're gonna look just like her. Yay! Can I choose which ones I want now? Yeah, you can choose any color you like. Yay, that's the best part. Which pair of glasses would you like? That's a toughie. I think we'll go with the black ones, please. Okay, let's put them on you. Ooh, you look so much clearer. I can see much better now. Okay, so thank you for coming. You do not have to pay anything except you don't have to pay anything. Yay! So it's completely free because you've been running into walls. Do you have an itch? Oh my gosh, look at that speck over there. You must have hurt yourself hard. Yeah, it's fine. I do it all the time. It's probably because I bumped into walls. Yeah. So come back soon. You have to come next year to test your eyes and see how they look now. Okay. Okay. And my sis has to do it too. No, I don't. Well, do it anyway. Yeah, I forgot we had the appointments, like the checkups. Yeah, so you have to go. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, subscribe. Our goal is 1 million subscribers. If you do 1,000, a spider will crawl on your face. Yeah. Well, not a dangerous spider. You don't want to kill you or anything. Yeah. I love your glasses, sis.